And the basement entrance.
So these are the bedrooms. I told you there was some staff space.
Right.
Now, you know, East Hampton Town has changed their zoning laws now, so these can all be made legal now.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't know.
Yeah, just in the last week, the zoning board of appeals changed their laws.
Great.
So they have to be compliant with New York. But like this bedroom just means like if you were to dig out that well and put an egress in, this would be legal now.
Great.
So yeah, it makes a lot of change for a lot of our properties. This is just mechanicals and storage down there or something. But there is there's a big pool gym, and then there's, obviously this is where all the older kids hang out.
Right. Definitely.
So again, this is like staff space. You've got a full bathroom back here.
Oh, perfect. All right, so powder room here.